Hello there and welcome to this lesson. This is GCSE Maths, expanding and factorising. Let's just show you the first example of how to do this first question, which is expanding. So expand 7 in brackets 2x plus 7. Okay, so because the 7 is right next to the brackets, this means that we need to multiply out the brackets. And that's exactly what we do when it comes to expanding the brackets. So for example, 7 times 2x will become 14x. So you just join the term x with the number 14 itself. Now we've got the plus sign in the brackets, so the plus sign will carry on in this context. And now we're going to do 7 multiplied by 7, which is 49. So remember, in your answer, you're not going to have any brackets anymore because we have just multiplied out the brackets themselves. So if you look on the left-hand side to see which options will be the best in this case in terms of the answer, it is option D, 14x plus 49. Okay, so this is how we do expanding, but we'll go into more detail on this in our class session as well. Let's move on to factorising. So factorise is actually the opposite of expanding. So factorise 3y plus 12. So factorise means that we are going to go to the original number for when we have to expand the answer to get this answer itself. So once we've expanded the answer, we actually get this as an answer. So we're now doing the opposite, and that's what factorise actually means. So which numbers multiplied by each other will give us 3y, and which numbers multiplied with each other will give us the answer 12. So let's try and work this out and see how we get on with this particular question itself. So we've got the options there in front of us, so it kind of makes it easier looking at the options because it gives you an idea. So let's go through these one by one. Okay, let's go through these one by one and let's work these out one by one. Okay, so first of all, 3y multiplied by 1 will give us 3y, plus 3y multiplied by 4 will give us 12y. Let's go on to B. So 12 times y is 12y, plus 12 times 3 is 36. So remember, we need to generate this particular answer itself. Let's go on to C. So 3 times y is 3y, plus 3 times 4 is 12. And the last one, D, 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 times 12y is going to be 12y. So looking at these particular answers in front of us now, option C is going to be the correct one. So as you can see, we're doing the opposite of factorising. We're trying to work out if this particular question will expand in the same format. And expanding and factorising are pretty much opposite to each other. So use a similar technique. This is the easiest bit I can tell you. And in the class, we'll go in more detail and we'll look at those questions individually one by one. Thank you.